momentum to climb into qualification territory. The Group D standing entering to match day 3. Number 1, it is Zamalek of Egypt, having played 2 matches, 1 win and 1 draw, 0 defeats, goal difference of +1, collected 4 points. That's Zamalek. Number 2, it is Al Masry of Egypt. They've played 2 matches, they've got 1 win, 0 draws, they've got 1 defeat, they've got a goal difference of +1, they've got 3 points. Then we've got Kaizer Chiefs of South Africa, played 2 matches, 0 wins, 1 draw, 1 defeat, a goal difference of -1, only collected 1 point.